Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Jay. I'm not back at it again with the Crimson Camry, and today I'm gonna be messing with a TRD. I'm installing a gas door replacement from King Carbon Fiber. I'm gonna be showing you how to install this properly. It's real easy actually, but you need some tools to install it. And also, so this is the gas door replacement. Obviously, it looks just like the gas door, if you want to see. Now, what my friend here has is an overlay from King Carbon Fiber, which is this right here, all flimsy and everything. This is pretty much the difference you're gonna get in terms of quality. You pay for what you get. This right here will last forever, where this right here will eventually look like this over time.
Some residue.
See how it's all faded and you got residue and everything. It's not really that shiny. Side by side, you can see the difference. All right. So, another thing I want to explain to you guys, this gas door replacement, how much was this?
180 after tax.
So you got almost $200 for my gas door replacement versus this thing right here, if it's not going to last long, costs about like $20, $30, maybe 40, something like that.
30.
30, yeah, $30. So choose your battle. You want to keep buying these and put them over there, then you got to keep taking this off with the glue. I'm not even going to take the glue off, but you know what I'm saying? Or you want a replacement and you just ceramic coat it and call it a day. It's real simple, so I'm gonna show you guys what you need in order to install this. So the first thing you're gonna want to do, you want to take off this clip right here that's for your gas cap. Shouldn't be too hard, just comes right off, just pull on it. All right, next you're gonna need a 1/4 inch drill bit, a rivet gun tool, and you're gonna need some rivets. Now you're not gonna need all these. I got this mini pack of 25 just in case I need to do it in the future. But you need these to reinstall your gas door replacement. You're gonna need a drill. All right. So it's real simple. 1/4 is perfect for this right here. So we're gonna go ahead right here, get an impact. Be careful. Oh,
that's what I'm talking about. Listen to me.
I made it weak. You know, it was about to go in.
Yeah, right. No, James, with the small one there, do the same thing. It would always
That's
get.
funny, man. They did it that quick.
First time.
I still think I broke it in a little bit. I was going by a different video that I seen, but actually you want to use 5 seconds. I use 5 seconds or something similar to this to get inside here. You saw me using a little point, knocking it in to start it off. The first time I'm messing with this, so bear with me.
It's video fire.
Yeah. All right, so next you're gonna pay attention to this part of the video because now you're gonna need to take this part off right here and put it on to the other gas door. So to get this thing up, you want to pull on this part right here. Down inside here, there's a little clip you need to use the flathead for. Push it towards you and the piece comes right up. All right, so to the other one, put it right back on. So this part, this little this C right here, you're gonna put it onto this rod, just like that, and you're gonna make sure this clip goes right back inside there. And you'll hear it click. Now we got the little rivet gun, right? Use this gun. All right, so you put it in there like that. Get that gas door replacement. Put it in the spot. Listen to the hole, just like that. put it in there like that. All right. And you're gonna go ahead and close down on it. All right. Once you close down on it, you're gonna release and push it back in. That way it's all the way down, and then you're gonna close it again. It's gonna have more pressure on it. Just like that. All right, now you're wondering, well, you did the replacement, Jay. Is it gonna close? Is it gonna work properly and everything? So I'm gonna put the gas cap back on here. You know what you need? I'm gonna just need a link to something what you need. Put this back on, right? You're gonna close it, right?
Yeah.
Now we have ceramic coating from King of Carbon Fiber to protect it. I ain't no pro at ceramic coating, but it's not that hard to apply something like this. You're welcome, by the way. Then you're gonna let it sit for about, I want to say 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, you want to wipe it down.